Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing on a brand new Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless 2020 model year. One of my favorite boats. Let me walk through and show you why here. At the front we've got tons of seating for your family, sun loungers, or pop the cushions off and have a big casting deck, even a bow table that sets in right there. Off the front we've got a boarding ladder for when you're out at the beach. Nose in if you want, makes it a little bit easier. You've got options to put a power pole in the back. Huge coffin garage here. Plenty of room for all of your fishing rods with pass-through storage, even enough room under there to hold 4 dive tanks. Plenty of room to walk through on each side here with grab handles. And my favorite feature right here, look at that dive door. Tons of room. Drops down to almost the water line. Big stainless steel, heavy duty equipment, so you're not gonna have to worry about any issues with that down the road. Moving over to our Helm, we've got Raymarine touchscreen chart plotters. These are the pro versions. Not only are they touchscreen, but you also have the buttons there in case your hands are wet fishing. Electronic shifting, single operation, so if you want to run them off of one engine, just hit a button and you can run both engines off of one throttle. Raymarine VHF Fusion waterproof radio. In the center console here, great size in the head, as well as a built-in pump out toilet. Behind the leaning post here, we've got a nice sized Livewell, freshwater washdown, little bait station, as well as a Yeti cooler built in with dedicated storage underneath. Finally at the stern, we've got a big bench seat that holds 3 adults comfortably, 4 kids. Right now it's folded down into a casting platform. We'll just give it a pull up. Nice big bench seat. And for power, twin Mercury 225 outboards in matching white. Looks great off the back of the boat with stainless props. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or anything else, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. My information's listed right there at the bottom. Thanks for watching.